Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Before I start with the news, I thought I'd just quickly show you these dogs having their muddy paws and tummies washed in the river. There is a lot of news to get through this week, starting with Broom Boats in Brundall going up for sale, along with heavy rain forecast. Rare Broads Woodland is in a dispute with the fishing club. How Hill unveils its new programme for 2024. The new herring bridge is described as an asset. It's almost time to hear the Bittern booming out. A tree partly blocked the river Yare. And lots of other stories too, so I think we ought to begin. Today's first story is Broom Boats and the White Heron pub in Brundall are up for sale. The owners of Broom Boats have put up for sale the 126-year-old company, along with its fleet of cruisers, which altogether is worth £3.2 million. They hire out 24 luxury vessels and 6 day boats. They have a marina, a boatyard, for repairs and maintenance services. In 2018, the boat building side of the business closed. They also own the former Yare pub, which recently was renovated at the cost of £600,000 and reopened as the White Heron in 2022. The £121 million third river crossing in Great Yarmouth, called the Herring Bridge, is described as an asset, despite teething issues. It is hoped the new bridge will encourage businesses to come to Yarmouth. A new maintenance and operations base is already being built for the offshore industry, and it will be used by them for the next 30 years. There is already a railway system, a port for deep water shipping, and a bridge which links to a dual carriageway with direct access to the Midlands. The former Palmer's department store will become an education centre with the hope of making Yarmouth a university town. Met Office has issued a weather warning for rain. 15 flood alerts were issued for Norfolk. The Environment Agency said water levels are rising across the county following recent rainfall, and further heavy rain is expected. Major flooding scheme is underway in the Norfolk Broads after recent extreme high water levels. The Broads Internal Drainage Board is replacing 13 pumps along the River Thurne area. New pumps will be installed at Potter Heigham, Repstaith, Horsey and close to Hickling. RSPB Strumpshire Fen put a post out about the Bittern. They say it's almost Bittern season, which means spring is almost here. The boom of the male Bittern can be heard up to 2 miles away. After being away for repairs and maintenance, Reedham Ferry is back in operation once again. The 40-year-old ferry has to do this every 3 years to maintain its operating licence. How Hill in Reedham has launched its 2024 programme of events. They have a range of experiences, from nature and history courses to evening meals and even the opportunity for wherry sailing. I know my voice sounds dreadful due to a cold, But I film these news videos, recording the news daily. So hopefully, as the week goes on, I won't sound so horrendous. For anybody who doesn't know, the footage that you're watching here is from Reedham, and there's also footage from Ludham too. A riverside woodland along the River Waveney near Gelderston has been given extra protection. An angling club recently gained permission to install 18 new wooden stages. A tree protection order was issued by the Broads Authority to stop any trees being cut down unnecessarily. The next article is, the Broads Authority issue a warning due to a fallen tree in the River Yare, upstream of Thorpe Island. The tree has been marked with hazard lights. I imagine by the time you see this, it will have been cleared away. Remember Lady P, the lady who is in a legal battle with the Cater family? She rented the old house in Ranworth from them. This ongoing case has been back in court. Like all the other stories in this video, the links will be added to the write-up to go with it. It's a lengthy article, so probably best that you all read it for yourselves. It has been announced that on February the 26th, a 97-ton yacht will travel from Oyster Yachts in Houghton to Fox's Marina in Ipswich. Cars and motorcycles will escort the yacht. I'm in Reedham. If you look on the left, can you tell what's missing where that fencing is? There's a brand new hut, look. Did you guess correctly? The former Sandersons boatyard is one of my most asked questions about what's happening there. Did the day boats ever appear? Those sort of things. I honestly have no idea what is happening there. But I'm glad the original building is still there. I think it looks beautiful. I know you'll all think I'm mad for saying that. I love that the old sign is there. I love the peeling paint. And it just, to me, looks beautiful. Decaying gracefully, I think I'd describe it as, but some people might be offended by me saying that, but it's meant in the nicest possible way. When I saw these two barges here, I thought, I wonder what they're up to. Nothing was happening, so I went down to Reedham Ferry, and still nothing here to indicate what the barges might be doing. I'm just nosy, I know. So I just happily watched the ferry going across. It looks lovely, being newly painted. And then I thought, oh well, I'll just go and have a look over the marshes and see what's over there. And I could hear this very loud roar off an engine, and I thought, whatever's that? So I had a look, couldn't see because obviously there's buildings in the way. And I thought, I don't know. But I left the marshes. I just knew I had to leave the marshes and go back to the river and wait. And hopefully, in time, whatever it is might come past. And while I was waiting, there was a beautiful robin decided he would sing to me. I couldn't see him initially, but he's beautiful. Well, I don't know about you, but I thoroughly enjoyed that. Once again, the right place at the right time. In last week's news video, I showed you a couple of things I'd seen on my travels in the week. And I asked you, would you like me to include the things I see? In the comments, you said that you would like me to show you what I find. So here you are. This is at the American Air Base at Lakenheath. This gentleman is on YouTube live streaming, standing on the roof of his vehicle. Of course he is. The name of my second YouTube channel, where you can find my video, is on the screen. Then, while filming at Reedham Riverside, this flew over. When I say I really do see lots of different things when I'm out, I really do mean it. And I'm absolutely amazed that this week I have reached 3 million views on my YouTube channel. So thank you to each and every one of you who watches my videos. 3 million views. That's insane. You're all amazing. Thank you. Obviously, in the week, I need to find a point at where to stop with the news for this week's video, and I always make it the day before, so I'm doing this now and it's Thursday, and every time I say, right, that's it, no more, I won't add any more stories in, you can guarantee every week a big story comes through. So I wonder what it will be this afternoon, and I'll be thinking, oh, I wish I'd waited and included that story. It happens every week, guaranteed. But never mind, I don't, you won't miss out on whatever it is. I'll include it in next week's. I do apologise about my voice and the cold. I don't feel ill. I feel fine. Don't forget to watch the fighter jets landing at Mildenhall on my other channel. The noise was phenomenal. I was so close to the planes landing. Anyway, that's it from me. Take great care of yourselves, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye for now.